All right, I am making fire starters using just a few ingredients. First, I'm using gulfwax, paraffin wax, and then I'm using wood pellets from my wood smoker, and I'm using cotton string for kind of a wick, and then I'm using these 3-ounce bathroom cups that are paper that are wax coated. I chose not to use plastic because I don't want the smell of plastic when I'm burning a fire. So the first thing I do is I tuck a little bit of string in the bottom of the cup, and then to hold the string in place, I take just a few pellets and put the pellets in and try to center the string in the cup with the pellets on top. Set that aside. I'll do another one. Put the string in, let it hang over the edge, add a few pellets, put the string in the middle, let it hang over the side, and then what I do is I come over to my melted paraffin with the ladle and I scoop just a little bit on top so it goes all the way to the bottom, holds the pellets in place, and holds the string in place. Set that aside to cool. Take the second one, do the same thing. Just like that. Then I can come back, as this one's already starting to cool down and set solid, and add more pellets all the way to the top, trying to keep the string somewhat centered in the cup. It's not that critical. That, a few more. And then I fill it to the top with more paraffin. Just like that. Set it aside to cool. The wick is lit. Let's see how long it burns.